how to reset your password if you forgot it on Twitter. So in this tutorial video, I will show you guys how to do this. Just you need to follow this video till the end. So guys, first of all, you need to go and open your Twitter. Then what you should do, you have to come directly to your profile icon and come directly to your settings. So right now here on your settings, open your account and you will find here change password. We not gonna change password because we already forget it. We want to reset it. So what we should do, we have to click on forgot password, and here you have to write your email or username or phone number, click search, and then they will send you an email to your email, and then click next, and you have to write the code that they send you on your email, then click verify, and then you will reset your password on Twitter. So that's it in this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.